Hello, my name is Peter Willem, and I'm happy to introduce QUASAR to you today. QUASAR is a blockchain-based platform that enables cars to pay for the services they use themselves. Like this, we enable car manufacturers to create completely new business models, to shift from single car revenue to long-term revenues through services. And you can just drive. You don't have to worry anymore about the payments. So what makes the QUASAR Ledger so unique? We designed and built our product especially for corporate use. And we did this by ensuring integration in financial accounting, by adding a compliance layer, which ensures that your car cannot be used for money laundering, and by not using cryptocurrencies, but digital euros and digital dollars. So how does it look? We currently apply this model with a German car manufacturer in a proof of concept. The gateway is the car manufacturer, sells cars, and these cars get a digital wallet. The gateway then connects service providers, and these service providers have service points. The car pays instantly on the QUASAR blockchain to the service points, and in the end of the month, you basically get a bill of everything that your car paid for you. You pay this bill to the gateway, so to the car manufacturer, and the car manufacturer pays out the service providers. For the car manufacturer, this is like a kind of App Store or Google Play. They are able to offer services that they otherwise would never be able to offer alone. And the service providers, they get direct access to the customer base of the gateway of the car manufacturer. So this is an overview of the companies we currently work with. And our QUASAR is a joint venture of Quantoz and Syngenio. Quantoz is a Dutch startup founded in 2015. KPMG awarded Quantoz in 2016 as one of the rising 50 fintech stars. And Syngenio is a German software developer and consulting house with over 15 years of experience in financial markets. Together, our joint team of 15 people is highly skilled in connecting IoT to the existing financial world. So I would like to invite you to join us later on our stand, drive around with our little Beetle, and let him pay the bills for you. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, hands together for Quantoz blockchain technology. Well done. Great. Okay. Once again, let's hear from our jury members about what they've just heard.
What does it take on a partner side to integrate with your technology? Because people like car manufacturers can integrate pretty easily in a central manner, but you have to connect with many, many partners to get the blockchain stuff going.
So it's not the same network for all the car manufacturers. Each car manufacturer creates its own ecosystem and chooses the service providers they want to connect. So, for example, Renault could choose completely different service providers as that Nissan chooses, but they could also whitelist each other and use each other's networks.
How do you make money?
We ask a license fee for the uses of the blockchain, and the ecosystem can ask transaction fees per transaction. So that would go to the car manufacturer, and that has to be in agreement with all the parties involved in the blockchain.
So you are still on a POC with a German OEM?
Yes, I cannot tell you the name,
no,
unfortunately.
I wasn't going to ask. When do you think that you can be on air?
Sorry?
When will you be operative?
On air? We could go live now. The technique is working. Why we do proof of concept is basically because our clients are searching for the right business model. So it's more a proof of value than a proof of concept.
What kind of services could you put on the platform? Any or?
Any. In the demo we have charging, we have parking and toll, but you could also think of car wash, fuel, insurance, everything.
Okay.
Why should the wallet be linked to the car and not to the driver? I mean, in a fleet, I understand that, but as a consumer, I might gonna change a car around.
Yeah. So it's easier that the car pays because you just drive. and the car pays everything for you.
Always easier if someone else pays.
Yeah, but finally you pay everything that the car paid for you. So that's the easiest thing. Of course, in a first phase, you could also think of, for example, for fuel, paying with your mobile phone as an add-on extra to that your car pays for other services. That could be done as well.
Got another 30 seconds. Enough time for a quick, juicy question.
How do you manage the confidentiality? Of
Confidentiality of the data, you mean? So the privacy?
Exactly.
So that's a very
Right.
good question because we build it GDPR proof. So the service provider, for example, Shell, knows exactly what you consumed. So for example, 40 liters of fuel. And they trust you because the car manufacturer trusts you. But they don't know exactly who you are. And the car manufacturer...
We don't know exactly the answer to it either. Right. Perhaps we'll never know. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.